Hello friend, in this video we are going to watch some famous rose varieties with their names. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch every videos. Princess de Monaco is a very famous rose variety. Cream blooms with pink edging. We are watching small plants from the garden. It will look amazing when the plant will grow well. Fragrance of this flower is very light. Double Delight is another very famous rose variety. Double Delight is a multi-petal hybrid tea rose. It is very strongly fragrant flower. Flowers are very large. Double Delight is a medium tall bushy shrub with large dark green leaves. This rose variety granted several awards such as gold medals in 1976, Fragrance Awards in Geneva in the year 1976, and the inclusion in All America Rose Selection in 1977. Flowers are very bright here at night. In 1985, the cultivar was included into the Rose Hall of Fame. Sentimental is a striped rose flower. The color combination is very attractive. Flower size is very large. There is another same variety. Here it is. Black Prince is maroon to deep reddish purple flower. It is strongly fragrant flower. Very beautiful fully double rose variety. Calcutta 300. The flower size is very large. It's a striped rose variety. It's a very low maintenance, beautiful rose variety. Pink flower with white striped, beautiful. Abracadabra, another popular rose variety. It is a striped rose variety, coloring of red and yellow. Sometimes we can get many colors in a single plant. Small to medium size blooms. This novelty variety draws attention everywhere it is spread. Rose is sun lover. They need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Watch the video till the end because we are watching some famous varieties today. In a previous video I have shared 250 plus rose varieties from the garden. You can watch that beautiful video. You will get the link of the video in the description. Maximum plants are abracadabra in this area. Rose is a perennial flowering plant, but in cold temperature they blooms well. It's a very famous China rose variety. It's an amazing miniature variety. Color is pink. When they bloom, it looks very attractive. All these plants have started blooming nicely. It is another beautiful rose variety. The color combination is very nice. Paradise is a hybrid tea rose. It is another very popular rose variety. When plant will grow well, it will produce large blooms. Paradise at night. All the plants are small here and they are growing in small containers. White coaster is another popular miniature rose variety. It enhances the beauty of the garden when they bloom. I have taken these pictures at night from the garden. Miniature roses come in many beautiful colors. It's a very attractive rose variety. Flower size is not big but very beautiful. Roses come in many beautiful colors, almost every colors. I have made a separate video on green rose variety. Keep watching some more beautiful varieties from the nursery. More than 300 rose varieties are available in this garden. Keep watching my videos. I'll talk about all these beautiful varieties. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel clicking the subscribe button to never miss a video. Some beautiful miniature varieties at night. Variety wise roses are there. These are some miniature rose varieties. They bloom well on new branches. Pruning is necessary before starting the season to encourage branching. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching this video.